So, got all the floor demo down here, asbestos tile, scraped and swept and vacuumed everything. So just want to get a good before video here. I think I'm gonna go bare minimums here to make this look right. Bathroom. I might spray this, I don't know yet, it depends. When I get there, I might throw a little bit of paint on it, see how it comes out. Biggest thing, this is still asbestos mastic, so I'm basically gonna kills the whole room, and I'm even gonna hit the floor. I was gonna black out the ceiling originally. I don't know, I might even put kill, I don't even know yet. I just gotta see how it goes, to be honest. But everything in here is scraped and painted. This is all trash, so I don't care about overspray. This I was gonna originally demo and get that wall, but I might just leave it. Why not? I don't know what I'm gonna do yet about this. So this is a coat of Kills and then regular white paint. And our first coat of floor epoxy. So yeah, he used to be that yellow. So I'm on the way, lead out here. Finish up and I'm going home. New roof up. Garage also. Happy with it. Everything they did was really good. Awning. Looks beautiful. New roof goes a long way. Once we get new windows in, I'm gonna do the windows. Hell yeah. So we got the power off right now because we're doing electrical in the kitchen. So we got the breaker off, so that's why we don't have power over here. But I wanted to show you all the plumbing updates. So this is underneath the kitchen. So we got a new hot and cold shut off. Obviously you're gonna have them under the sink, but we wanted them in the basement as well. So if you have to do any work up there. This is for the hose on the side of the house. So we got a new ball valve for that, for the hose. Hot water tank, hot and cold in and out. New ball valve sweated in for the hot and cold for the washer. Faucet here for the utility sink. This is for the main bath, hot and cold. And then they just did this PVC drain. I'll show you guys that upstairs. And then this bathroom's faucet here, hot and cold. So this supplies it, so if you shut that off, it'll shut this down. But if you want to do maintenance only here and leave that running, we got that. So let me show you that. So yeah, and then the main shut off. We got a new ball valve for the main. Electrical's going in. The range will be here. It's where the gas is. Above the sink light. New refrigerator direct line. Here's the main bath. So we got new stubbed out copper because they were old galvanized nipples. And then this was all a steel line. So this is where it's fern coat down to the stack down there. So this is all new PVC. Extended this so we can put the new valve on this for the toilet supply. And then this was already updated to PVC before I bought it. So I just wanted to re-screw this because there was drywall screws in it. So that'll be good. New electrical in here. We're gonna run all new in here. So the bathroom will be new. And then we have the existing old shut-off plumbing for the shower just capped right now. And when we run new copper or PEX, we'll put the Moen valve in. But we'll have brand new shut-offs in here. We'll do it up here because I like it in here. I don't know if we're doing a shower or a tub yet. We're gonna delete this soffit and put a light in over there. Got the new front door in. Got rid of the old door. Got 2 windows ordered. The bathroom window and that main bath is gonna be a vinyl window, and then in the kitchen. Basically the areas we're redoing, and I'm also insulating the walls. So up here, again, the breakers are off. It's weird, so they must have remodeled something. The kitchen breaker runs this bathroom for whatever reason. This plumbing is already good, but we're gonna do new shutoffs. It's all copper. It was remodeled at a different time. I think this was an unfinished attic. We got all copper throughout the house anyway. So here, this old drain, we're gonna pop this up, you know, get a new shut off on here because I don't want this to be old. I'll make sure it's perfect. And then we're gonna do fern coat into the stack PVC flange here, so we'll have all this new. So I could technically, with the height of this floor, leave this like this, but it's unfinished, so I'm more than likely gonna go with like a vinyl tile in here for this half bath up in the main bedroom. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you where we're at with things, and we'll go from there. So yeah, we're coming along. I mean, most of the other stuff will fly once we get all the electrical done. There is one issue with this. This light works, but there's no switch coming into the bedroom, which sucks. And also the bedroom is just a bifold, so there's no way to lock a door up here, which is kind of a bummer. But then again, it's just a rental, so that's annoying, but it is what it is. I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. I don't want to gut any drywall, and I don't like any of the surface mount light crap. So that's where we're at. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I'll show you that front door as well, actually. Front door. So we just replaced the door. We didn't do the frame. We're gonna do more new exterior weather stripping that'll butt up against it tight, so you have a nice gasket seal all the way around. We'll remove this old one. I didn't find a reason to replace it all if we could just put a door on it. Again, it's just a rental. And then obviously I'll end the video here because I want to get an update, a separate video for this. But basically, quickly, we're going to clear out all this tuck point joints because this is a leaking spot for the basement. So I'll get pressure washed. We're going to re-tuck point everything, make this all look nice. But just wanted to show you where we're at with the plumbing and the electrical mainly in this video. So I just wanted to show this before we have the wall up. Had Steve put some fan fold insulation in the wall, and then we're doing a moisture barrier because, you know, it's a brick house, and then we're hanging our green board here for the kitchen. So just wanted to get a quick second video of that. All the electrical's already in and ran. This is for our range hood. It's our plug for our stove. And then obviously just normal outlets, and we got them here and we'll cut them out. So just want to get a couple second video of this. This is where the refrigerator will go. Yeah, good. Ever wonder the condition of your plumbing? Up here is where my bathtub was. I just took this stack out for the bathtub, and then This we did a couple days ago. We added a sink drain back into the main stack. This elbow here was right there, completely clogged. So this galvanized pipe sucks. Steel pipe. So I just took this one out. This was the tub drain, and then the P-trap was here, up there. Look at the amount of rust that came out when I dropped it on the ground. And it's completely clogged. So I'm gonna try to vacuum this. Wow. If I had more time, I would honestly just rip up this floor and redo that. But I think I can get that to flow. Wow.